Good morning, Ms. Haber. I'm sorry that you're having problems with the eCoursework platform. Uh, the difficulty you have is technical, and I'm going to show you what you need to do. So, on my screen now is the picture that you sent me, the screenshot that you sent me. When you try to open eCoursework here, you click here, what happens is that you get this page, and you need to come and click here. You see where there is a page, the icon of a page with an X, a red X. It means that your browser is blocking the pop-ups. So you need to click on this icon here. It will give you some choices. One of them is going to be to always accept pop-ups from the IB's website. So once you click on it, refresh your page and click on eCoursework again, and it should be working. If it doesn't work, let me know. Okay, thank you.